Okay, we're going to make our snow, our Insta Snow. We're going to take a cup of this powder. Brittany, pour it in the cup. And Dakota, put the water in. And we're going to watch our snow grow.
That's when it's growing. Oh, it's growing.
Who wants to try to make a snowball?
I do.
Okay, Brittany, you can try with this.
What do I do?
Make a snowball.
What?
Try to make a snowball.
It's not even that snow yet.
Take a big piece of snow. And then
Is yours still growing, Dakota? Okay, now try to make a snowball.
What do I do?
I
What?
can't.
What do I do?
Make a snowball. Like, try to make it into it. I thought we were supposed to be able to make it into snowballs, but I guess we just make it snow. All right, hang on.